Hi, and welcome to the UpTrend Investor channel, where we talk about real estate investing and financial independence. I'm Jason Atienza, and today I'm going to show you a duplex, a newly flipped duplex that we recently purchased. Someone else flipped this property, we purchased it, and the numbers still came out right for us. So I'm going to show you a video here that goes through the duplex. You can see what it looks like, and then afterwards I'll go over the numbers and talk about the cash flow. So here's the video. So this is the recently flipped duplex that we just purchased. It's located in Deltona, Florida, which is about 45 minutes north of downtown Orlando, depending on the traffic. You could see that the roof is pretty new. It's about a year old, and the sellers they went ahead and did some landscaping up front. You can see the new plants, bark chips. Try to make it look nice. So we're going into Unit B. These are 2-bedroom, 1-bath units. So when we walk into this unit, and here's my son saying, "Come on in, come on in." So the first thing we noticed about these units were that the windows had all been replaced. So they're all brand new. They look very nice. And here in the kitchen, they went ahead and replaced the appliances, put some nice white appliances in this one, and put in some new granite countertops. And I believe these are also new cabinets that they had put in. These are the cabinets that don't slam shut, so that's a nice feature. Brand new refrigerator as well. So looking out back, there is this closed-in, this screened-off area, and some people call it a Florida room. It's a small Florida room, and goes into the backyard. The washer and dryer hookup is back here. You can see out back there's the power line there. One of the things we had to do was have the seller have someone trim some of the trees to get it away from the power line, so they did that. Again, this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit, and nice closet space out here in the living room. You can see here going into the bathroom, they did a nice job with tile on the floor, as well as the tile in the shower. Put a simple shower head, and also they put some nice light fixtures in here. So a nice bathroom. So here's one of the bedrooms, new carpet, and just like the rest of the unit, brand new windows. As you can see there, they still have the stickers on them, so these are all new windows. And they did a new paint job as well. Looking into the second bedroom, same idea, and you'll notice here again the brand new window and nice closet space in there. They also have a simple light fixture in this one, but you can also see here a central AC, so that's a good feature. Okay, coming out back to the front, going towards the other unit, so you can see some of the simple landscaping that they did, the plants and the bark chips up front. Little driveway for each unit. It's on a nice quiet street here off the main road. The units also had relatively new air conditioners. This one has a brand new air conditioner unit. The other one, it was only about 4 or 5 years old. So going into the other unit here, you can see it's essentially the mirror image of the previous one. Again, all brand new windows, new paint. So going into the bedrooms here, looking at the first bedroom, just like the other unit, ample closet space, new carpet, fresh paint, central AC, and the second bedroom, same idea. Nice view of the backyard. And then looking at the bathroom in this unit, it also was essentially renovated the same as the other unit. In this one, you can see a little bit more of the vanity that they placed in there. So, okay, you can see my son there doing his own inspection. So, going into the kitchen for this unit, same countertops, same faucet, same cabinets. Difference is that they put in, as you can see, black appliances, and this one make it a little bit different compared to the other one. So going out back on this unit, we'll head into the Florida room here, and on this one we'll be able to see the utility room. Yeah. So looking at the utility room, washer and dryer hookup area in here, you can see the water heater, heating unit. So in this electrical panel here to the right, you'll see the Zinsco label here. So that is what absolutely has to be replaced. This electrical panel, same thing with the other unit, and also the one of the disconnect panels. The other thing we had the seller do is build a this vent for the dryer to vent out to the external. So that was something that was brought up during the inspection that we did. So they've already done that for us. So the only thing that that needs to be done is the electrical, which we're getting a credit for. And shows you a little door that goes out to the backyard. So all in all, very nice units on both sides. Okay, so that's the flipped duplex that we just closed on. So now let's go over some of the numbers. So the list price for this duplex was at $197,900. It was on the market for about 5 days, and we got into contract for $185,000. The seller accepted our offer immediately. And after we did the inspection, we found that there was some electrical work that needed to be done. And you saw those Zinsco panels. There was one of those in each unit, and there was also the Zinsco panel on the disconnect, which all of that needs to be addressed. So what we're doing is we're getting a $5,000 credit at close. That's what we got for that electrical work. So now that we own the property and we have hired a property manager, the plan now is that the rent is going to be at $950 per month per unit. So that comes out to $1,900 a month. From that $1,900 a month, we are currently expecting 50% operating expenses because we're throwing in the property management fees, all the property tax. We're just going to start off conservative, and we'll see how we do over the next few months. So 50% of that would be $950, 50% of the total. So what gives us is a net operating income of $950 per month for the entire duplex. So after doing some shopping around for the mortgage, we decided on a 30-year conventional mortgage with Wells Fargo at 5% interest rate. The debt service for a 75% LTV, a loan-to-value mortgage, monthly debt service comes out to $725. So when you take the net operating income per month and you subtract out the debt service, that gives us a, I'll put it in big letters here, cash flow of $225 per month, and that comes out to $112.50 per unit per month. So that is the cash flow that we are expecting at this time. Over the course of time, we expect that the rents will go up to match inflation. We also expect that our operating expenses will go down. So rents go up, operating expenses go down. Therefore, our equity in the property will go up with every month that we have it rented, and the renters are paying off our mortgage and getting us increased equity. So that's the plan with this property. Again, this was a flipped duplex already, and as you can see, the numbers came out right for us anyway. So we went for this. We figured we can buy this property quicker because it was already flipped, and get it rented out in the market and start generating cash flow. So if you like this type of content, go ahead and give us a like on this video, and definitely subscribe to this channel so you'll hear more about these types of deals, acquisitions, the finances, as well as the management and the renovations for these properties. So we'll see you on the next video.